Okay, so who here is using CouchDB currently? Okay, there's a bunch of people aren't, right? Or using something like that. Who's also using Couch? Okay, so is anybody doing the one database per user model? Yes, okay. So if you're not familiar with one database per user, it's kind of a bizarre concept if you're coming from other types of databases, like relational databases. But it's basically a way with like CouchDB to create a segment your user data. It's basically kind of the authentication model. Hoodie uses that approach. And that works surprisingly well. It's pretty cool. But there are some downsides to it. If you're doing one database per user, you'll find out that, for example, once you want to start querying data across users, there are some challenges because you got to sync all the databases together, and it just doesn't really scale very well if you're trying to do like anything that where user data isn't really segmented off. So we're actually working on an open source project called Cloud Envoy, and what it does is it's a Node.js proxy server that sits in front of CouchDB 2.0, and it actually gives the illusion of one database per user. So you actually feel like you're as far as your CouchDB or whatever client you're using, it looks like it's one database per user, but what it's actually doing is it's actually creating ACLs, access control lists, in one database instead of one database per user in CouchDB. That way, it gets around a bunch of the problems with one database per user, while at the same time getting all the benefits of one database per user. So this is still a work in progress. It's Apache 2.0 license. Basically, it allows you to use CouchDB as a CouchDB 2 as a kind of mobile backend to your application. So if you want to know more about it, come find me, and I'll talk to you about it. Thanks.